Hello, welcome back to English Speaking with Xoliswa. So today we are going to do a very short exercise. We are going to be putting all of these exercises into the different categories. So we have three options. We have go, we have play, and we have do. So let us get started. So the first one is chess. So where does chess go? So chess goes under play. So we play chess. So we play chess. Okay, that is number one. We play chess. Number two, exercise. We do exercise. So we do exercise. Number three, fishing. We go fishing. So we go fishing. Number four, football. We play football. The next one, golf. We play golf. The next one, karate. So we do karate. So we do karate. And then the next one, skiing. We go skiing. Swimming. We go swimming. Tennis. We play tennis. Now just a quick overview. So the reason we placed these activities into the categories that we placed them in. So let's look at go. So go, these activities, you go fishing, you go skiing, you go swimming. So go means you move from one area to the next. So in this case, you have to leave your home to either go to the lake or the ocean to fish. And skiing, you have to go to a particular area to ski. And then swimming as well, you have to go to the swimming pool or to the beach as well to swim. Play, so play is just an activity that you do for fun or for recreational purposes. So that is why we placed sports, chess, golf, tennis, and football into that category, because these are activities that you do. So play, when you're playing sports, are usually placed under the play category. And then lastly to do, so basically this is when you perform an action. So that is why this goes under do. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.